Hey, what's happening YouTube? In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clear disk space on Windows 11, alright? Now, being able to do this will definitely make a big difference, alright? So I'm going to go ahead and show you 3 different ways. First method, we're going to go ahead and open up our command prompt, alright? Go ahead and get the command prompt open, just like such, and we're going to go ahead and enter that particular command right there, alright? Now this is going to be really important, all right, because this particular command is only going to be able to get rid of all the files that do not require administrator permission. All right, so in other words, any junk files, temporary files, that's going to go ahead and get rid of that. All right, so that's going to make a big difference. So just go ahead and execute the command, press enter. There you go. That's the only thing you needed to do. All right, so that's going to be the first method. Second method, now we're going to go ahead and pull up our disk cleanup utility. Now go ahead and enter that right there. That's going to be able to go ahead and auto populate disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. Make sure you go ahead and select all of these. I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. Go ahead and select all of these, which is your recycle bin, your temporary files, thumbnails, all of that. Make sure you pretty much select all of these right there, okay? And then afterwards, go ahead and click OK, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Delete files, and then that's going to go ahead and go through the cleanup process right there, which shouldn't take too long. It's only a few seconds there. As you can see, it's cleaning up all the temporary files, and that's it. That's method number 2 right there. All right, now we'll go ahead and move on to the last option. Go ahead and press Windows plus the R keys, and make sure you go ahead and type that in, %temp %. Okay, go ahead and type that in right there, and then press OK, and then select all of these. You should normally have a lot more files, okay, but since I've been cleaning up the hard drive constantly and whatnot, I really don't have much of junk files right there. So click all of your files right there, and then just select these, and then you may probably get a couple of these right there. These require admin permission. All right, so should be all set with that. All right, that will definitely clean up all of your temporary files. So I can guarantee you, if you go ahead and run this about 2-3 times a week, will definitely make a big difference on your PC. All right, so that's another video brought to you by your boy Louis right here. Please go ahead and like and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching. Peace out there.